How to buy Bitcoin on Binance application. So first you will need to open up the Binance app and sign into your account. And then you will need to click on the three vertical lines on the top left hand side. And then click on P2P. And from here you will need to select your currency. So click on the drop down and pick your currency, for example, USD for dollars. Now, once you switch that, go back to home by clicking on the home button at the bottom to leave this page. And then click on or tap on assets on the bottom right. And then click on add funds. And then choose buy with USD. Now you will need to select the cryptocurrency that you're buying. Click on the USD at the bottom here or whatever currency you have selected. And then search for the currency you're trying to buy. So for example, Bitcoin. And then select the buy from the top here and enter the amount you're trying to pay in dollars. For example, if you're trying to pay $1,000, you will get 0.007 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to it minus the fees. And then click on the preview order button. Then it will ask you to enter your credit card CVV code or choose your payment method that you're trying to use. And as you can see right here, the fees are $20 and the price is updating. So click on confirm to buy, and then it will be processing and credit the money to your account. Now, once it's done, it should take a while for the funds to appear in your account. And then you should be able to start using your funds or transferring them between spot, funding, wallets, and other things. You can also send them and use them to convert to other currencies or buy other currencies, or you can sell them. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.